guys hear my grandbaby screaming in the back? Hello, hello, hello. I feel as crazy as I look, you guys. I threw my back out yesterday, and so I haven't really been able to comb my hair, really do much of anything. I'm just now getting up and getting busy and like trying to get myself together. So I'm in the craft room, as you can see behind me, and I'm trying to catch up from all the stuff that I didn't do yesterday, from pretty much laying on my back. That sounds horrible, but laying on my back for the whole day trying to recover. Honey had to take the day off work. It was a whole situation. You guys want to see the snow real quick? Didn't know it snowed in California, did you? Not by the beach. I'm an hour from the beach and it's trying to snow. Let's see it. Oh, we got snow. And UPS is still rolling. Thank you, UPS for, and Amazon for still doing your thing in the snow. Y'all see all the snow? Look. And just that fast, the sun's back out. It's back out, you guys. You see that? No, it was just snowing a minute ago. Hot mess, California. All right, you guys. So that's as good as it's gonna get up in here today. Yeah, we're cleaning. We're cleaning the craft room. My hair looks crazy. Yesterday somehow, early in the morning, and was unable to like even really move, like literally be able to move all freaking day yesterday. Like I was in one spot, which anyone who knows me know that's torment. So I'm scared to really do too much, but I'm trying to just come clean this room in here. So like I said, you guys, I was so out of it yesterday. I got up to try and take these girls to school, and let me tell you, I was going to sew some pants, like a little hole in the pants. I sat down at the sewing machine to sew it, and my whole back decided that it just was done. It just gave up the ghost. My whole back went numb, but with pain. I couldn't move. I could barely move my legs. I made it to my bedroom and laid on my back on my bed, and from there, like, I was screaming. I had to call my husband back to come and take the kids to school and to pretty much tend to me all day. This is how bad the pain was. I took a Tylenol with codeine. And anyone knows anything about codeine, you know that'll knock out a toothache, like a real bad one or anything like that. The codeine took the edge off, okay? It was horrifically horrible. So I spent the day laying on the hard floor, trying to keep my back straight and recover. I'm feeling a lot better now, but boy, that was scary. So now that we've got the craft room a little bit tidied up, let's go ahead and press ourselves out a sublimation cup. All right, so the first thing I wanted to do was the infusible ink, which is sublimation ink. They say infusible because they were trying to, in my opinion, stop people from just going with the all-out sublimation machine on their own if they were a crafter. So I picked some up because it was on the clearance, as you can see, for $2.97 or something like that at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And the color, as you can see here, they don't look like it's the actual color, but it is once you press it. So we're going to be pressing the one with the roses, and when it comes out, I'll let you see how it looks. We are using our Cricut mug press, and I love this little thing. I feel it's overpriced, but I do love it. So here we are, pressing out this cup, and it came out pretty good. I actually put some tape on a portion I wasn't supposed to put tape on, as you can see right there. But aside from that, it came out pretty good. Next time I'll add more pressure with some molds I have, and make sure I don't put tape underneath the sublimation paper. But overall, it came out good. Sorry, you guys, I sound congested because I am. But it came out pretty good. I like it. I'm probably going to leave this one here in my craft room. And yeah, on to the next project. All right, you guys, so I purchased the Epson EcoTank 8550, as you can see here. And we're going to be using this for sublimation, okay? If you're not familiar with sublimation, I guess I'll explain some of it to you. But here's my sublimation ink that I ordered offline. And this is not the regular ink. This is not the ink the machine came with. This is specialty ink for printing things on shirts, okay? All right, you guys, so of course I had to put the ink into it, set it all up, get it calibrated.
all that jazz. And then we started printing out some prints. I did this beautiful black Barbie off of Creative Fabrica, so it is published by me, and I wanted to make a shirt of it for my grandbaby, who I'm sure you hear squawking in the background like a baby pterodactyl. It came out pretty good, and then we went and made some breakfast for the girls. They wanted these epic pancakes, fruity pebble pancakes, so we knocked that out. And then later on down the line, I wanted to show them my smoke machine. Well, they kind of discovered it. I was testing it out in my bedroom. And of course, you guys know if you've been following my journey on redoing my room, I'm still working on that. But I wanted them to see the smoke, and I wanted them to see party lights. We're going to use it for grandma's party, but most likely it'll remain in my bedroom because that's where I found it to be. So, of course, my girls came in dancing because they thought it was for them, and I love to see it. You guys know 2 of my girls are autistic, and so for them to tolerate the lights and the smoke and all the music, we've come a long way. If you want to know more about that, check out my video on the good, the bad, and the ugly of autism, raising a child with autism. It's in my playlist. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. I always forget to say that. And check out my Etsy shop, you guys. I just relaunched my Etsy shop, and I'm selling my body oils, which are amazing, if I do say so myself. And I'm not just taking my word for it. Everyone that smells them loves them, and I'm not lying. So check it out. Stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you. Stay loving God. Stay loving life. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.